Hello guys, so in today's video I want to show you how you can use a spray to paint your fence effectively without leaving any marks or any paint on objects like cars, window, glasses or housing. So to do so there's a technique you need to apply, and there's a certain height. You don't specifically need to use the spray, otherwise with wind the paint may fly and paint objects. So for about from the fence height, for about 30 centimeter, you don't need to use the spray. So you can use first a paint brush. So and when you use a paint brush, never go from top to bottom with your hand. Always go from bottom to top, like this. So the paint won't go on the other side, won't drift on the other side of the fence and leave marks. So always go from like this, from top to bottom when you paint it. So the paint remain on the side where you are painting, on the side where you are painting. So which is this side. And then when you hit the top, go gently with the paintbrush. And you really need to take your time when you do painting. So you go gently like that. And then when from about 30 centimeter is painted with the paintbrush, now you can use the spray to finish up the work. This is what I'm going to show you next, because there's also a way to use the spray to avoid the paint to fly with the wind. So this is what I'm going to show you next. So guys, the spray is now set to ready to be used. So to use the spray effectively and not to paint the unwanted items, as we did for the first part, we painted 30 centimeter from the top to a certain level of the fence, and now we have to finish with the spray. And to use the spray, never use the spray to point the gun to the top. Always point the gun to the floor, because when you do so, the paint just go on the floor, it's not flying, because it's a bit windy today. So and when you use the spray, you point the gun that way. So and always remember to put your mask on, not to breathe the paint, for safety. So this is how you can use your spray effectively without painting unwanted items you don't want.